should have planned for this, like how we were going to start it off. Our first YouTube video.
Wait, does this look weird? Can I'm like, can they see us? We're not even. My hair.
It looks cute though, honestly.
So what should we talk about?
Wait, let me count my nuggets real quick.
I'm done.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're good.
What if there wasn't 10? Like, would you take a picture?
I would throw a BF.
I told my mom yesterday, I was like, if The Bachelor isn't being recorded, I'm gonna throw a BF. She goes, that's fair. I was like, oh hell no.
You're just gonna pick up your best friend. Crying again.
This is so good.
These feel like they're gonna be good. I haven't tried them, but they feel like they have potential. I've never been disappointed.
Were you just smelling that? No! We're covering your... Oh yeah, show your lip.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, let me eat this chicken.
Okay. So she got in a fight on
This
Saturday.
bitch bumped me in the club. I said I'm not having this shit. No. Okay. Look at when I smile. It's not as bad. I feel
You
like
need to
it's
show the inside.
No. For real. It's too much. It's gross.
You
It just
can't
looks
see
like
it.
nothing on the outside.
Yeah, you can't see
I
it.
just got really good Botox. On one side.
On
When I smile, you can see it a little bit.
Yeah.
No, the inside is gross. Okay, so what happened was me and my fiance were playing with our kid in the grass, and I wanted him to throw his phone to me because I didn't bring it. And so he threw it, and I leaned right into it, and it just knocked me right in the lip. I feel so weird talking to a camera.
I was thinking, imagine someone watching. We're at work in the parking lot.
I did not even think about that.
That's why I was laughing. Oh my god, is there something for me?
Oh my god. But you know what would be so funny? If they saw us through your back window, then you would see them in the video.
Did you see her?
Mm-hmm. I saw her like when she like went right.
I know. It's weird how people do these.
I've never done one of these. Like, I've never done a YouTube video. Do you have a YouTube? Like, do you have any videos?
I had one, but I deleted it because it was humiliating.
What was it?
I did the whisper challenge with Veronica.
Oh, I feel like that was funny. Why'd you delete it?
Because we look
Wait.
like dumbasses. I feel like I showed you it.
Was that the one you showed me? Maybe it was. That was funny.
Oh, the ramen one.
Oh, it was the ramen one.
And then that was funny. You didn't see it.
Did I say that just now? About the...
But I think you were talking about the ramen one.
Yeah.
Imagine someone though, Larry.
Oh my god. No, you don't go to lunch till like 2.
Yeah.
We're not even on our lunch. What does this say about us?
This is bomb.
I've never had it with the buffalo sauce, but I don't know if I'd like it.
It tastes like chicken wings. Wanna try it?
Bitch just saw us.
Why is she walking so slow? Did you make eye contact?
And she looked at me. I can't even say how she looked at me. Like with disgust. Oh shit, my cheek.
I want to see that part.
Like, I look back and she's just like, damn, bitch. I thought it was normal to make a YouTube video.
People do this in their car all the time. Wait, time.
Eat in their car on their not lunch break.
Always.
I should have got something to drink.
I know, I feel bad for you. I have a water bottle.
I feel bad for you.
Do you want water?
No.
Why did I open this one if I'm not finished?
You're like, I don't want this bitch to get it. It's all mine.
Oh, this is why, because I wanted you to try it. I didn't know if you felt weird about using the one that's open.
We just shared ice cream from the sink.
You look what chicken nugget you want to use.
Why are you still holding it? I already dipped it. Okay, well, I have an explanation. Those ones had the sauce on them. When I
Which
spilled
one?
it. Because I spilled the sauce when I saw the bitch.
I want to see your...
That like for real tastes like buffalo wings. Like, that's good.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. What do you like better, that or the barbecue?
I don't know if I've tried. I'll get it from the other side.
Me too.
That one's bomb. Both of them are bomb.
They are.
We should have asked for all of their sauces.
Tried all of them. We didn't know we were gonna do a video.
Yeah, maybe maybe on our lunch. At 2.
And the thing is, we're laughing, but I'm so down.
Me too. Hopefully it's not that kid though.
Oh my god, the way he hangs out the window. Before you even fucking
explanation.
Okay. Wait. I'm gonna pretend like this is the window. Alright, let me. So
I come up. I'm pulling up.
I can't even fucking do it. Okay. Before you even fucking hit the window, he's just like is he not? He's like he's fucking waiting. Ow. And then he swipes your card and he says, processing.
His whole body is out the window.
For real, it's like, why are you that desperate?
Is he always there when you go?
Yes. It's like, do you work 24 hours a day?
Or am I there 24 hours? Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. I can't wait to watch this. Oh,
It's
my
probably
God.
not even funny and we're just laughing.
We'll have someone else watch it and they'll be like, the whole time, there's
Very.
me. It's not funny. I know. Or Damien, he'd be like,
You guys are dumbasses.
I think you guys need to go to the doctor. The mental institute.
Do people really go there? Like, what do they go there for?
Like if they have like schizophrenia or whatever.
Sorry, I don't mean to laugh.
Why are you laughing?
Because I always laugh.
Are you laughing that there's schizophrenic people? That's fucked up, Jen.
No. We'll cut that out.
Oh my god.
This is so good. Two.
Wait, I can't count that. Is that 5?
My boogers came back. Oh,
That's 5.
yeah.
Yeah, double count it.
Did you get your other sauce?
Barbecue. All the way.
So you're a basic ass. Just kidding. I don't know what's more basic.
Did you smell it?
Spicy buffalo. What?
Alright, I'm not even lying. She's not done eating yet. But by the time she is, she's gonna have something on her pants or on her shirt. A big old orange spot. I'm surprised it hasn't happened yet.
For real.
Mark my words.
And that's why I have shout in my bag.
The wipes.
Mhm. They come through.
They did work really good. Was it ketchup?
That was so bad.
Her whole leg was like wet after.
I had a stain of ketchup. This stain of ketchup. Wait, did I say it right?
Oh,
Ketchup stain. As you can tell, I don't know how to speak English.
Oh my god. I swear, okay. If we go to lunch, if we go to McDonald's for lunch, we're gonna record this dude.
Oh my god. Oh, I didn't.
I'm gonna put him in this video because for real, you have to see it. Like, that would be so funny, huh? How would we do that?
I'll record him.
To be like this.
Wait, record him?
Record him sticking his head out the window.
I'll Snapchat it.
Oh, you will? Okay. I'm gonna pee my pants.
That was such a choking.
You were actually choking. How did you get that? Maybe mukbang. Is it mukbang?
Yeah.
Maybe that's not a good idea for us. We laugh too much. I feel like I'm gonna throw this food up from laughing so much.
Okay. We need to eat.
Why do so many people walk this way?
I'm trying to get to the car to go to lunch.
Oh my god.
This is so good.
Why does this person have a random towel? They have a towel in their car.
Maybe from after the gym.
This sweaty ass bitch.
Do you sweat a lot when you work out?
I don't sweat.
Hmm?
I don't sweat.
At all?
I glisten.
Oh.
It's mostly like my head that sweats. But I don't get like sweat stains. If anything, my armpits sweat a little bit, but it's not like you get a big old. Do you?
My face does. Like big time.
Yeah, I can't wait to wear makeup. Like girls try to be cute. I can't do that. Unless it's waterproof. But I feel like that doesn't matter.
Do they have waterproof foundation?
I don't know. I should have a waterproof setting spray. That, like when you spray it on, then it like creates like a layer.
I'm sure they do.
Yeah.
I don't
if
know.
Not, I created
Mark her words. What will it be called?
Under the water.
Isn't that from the Little Mermaid?
Under the sea. Wait, isn't that what Tarte is called?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. You can't do that.
They'll copyright your ass. Is
Yeah.
it copyright? Well, probably a copyright for the radio being on.
Shit. We didn't even think about that. I wonder, you probably can hear it too. Damn it!
So it starts right now. We suck.
The way you push you.
I look so Chinese when I laugh.
The way you're holding your food.
No offense. That's like a perfect place, huh?
To put your phone. I'm like paranoid though about, not paranoid, but I don't like this showing.
Mm-mm. I wish it could be like.
That didn't do shit.
Wait, no, that will go.
Wait, what about my wallet?
Will that work? No. Wait, should I put the in? Oh shit.
I think it was just better.
We just leave.
Bye guys.